small, chasing yarn, she loves to crawl. Purr, purr, cuddle near, kittens bring us joy and cheer.
Little puppy wags his tail, running fast on every trail. Woof, woof, happy play, puppy fun the whole long day.
Sing with Coco, bright and sweet, meet baby friends with tiny feet. Colors change, come dance along, baby animals love the song.
Quack, quack, ducklings swim, splish and splash, come join with him. Tiny paddles, water play, duckling laughs the day away.
Happy bunny, up so high, Pinky jumps up to the sky.
Hop, hop,
Wiggle nose, everywhere the bunny goes. Sing with Coco, bright and sweet, meet baby friends with tiny feet. Colors change, come dance along, baby animals love the song. There's a kitten, soft cheep cheep, peeking out, no time for sleep. Fluffy wings, so yellow bright, chick is shining in the light. Sing with Coco, bright and sweet, all our friends with tiny feet. Colors shine, come sing along, baby animals love the song. Thanks for singing, friends so dear, baby animals we love you here. With Coco's colors shining bright, goodbye now and sleep tight.